Hi third grade, welcome back to our last step of this project, which is only step 2. We're keeping it short with only a 2-step project. Your project should look something like this right now, where you have your letter and then you did all these dividing lines through it. You should have had an even number of spaces created, and then outline. Today you are going to pick 2 colors and you can use whatever art material you would like. I chose markers, just like regular Crayola markers, and I chose a blue and a yellow. And you are going to start first with alternating your spaces inside of your letter. So if you look, let me move my hand out of the way. So from the point up is my line, and then from the point over is my other line, and then I have this little area of my letter that is in this kind of triangle pie slice. So I'm coloring in this blue, and then I'm gonna skip this little sliver here of the next one because that's in another pie slice area. And I'm gonna skip it, and then I'm gonna go with blue in this next area after I skip it. This could be a little bit tricky for you to do, so what I suggest if you are having a hard time, maybe with a pencil put X's where you will color one color and maybe put O's in the sections where you would put your second color. And you could ask your family member to help you out if you would like to, if it is a little bit tricky. Or you could email me a picture and I can try my best to mark it for you digitally. But you're going to continue to alternate with the color you pick, leave it white, color it, leave it white, color it, leave it white. And so I'm going to fast forward this. You can start to see what it's going to look like. And so right now it's kind of evenly spaced out like blue, white, blue, white. But now I'm going to take my second color and I'm going to go in and I'm going to do those white areas. And it's only the colors or the inside of your letter right now. Okay. And so you should have it looking something like this. And now we're going to work on the outside. Now, same thing, we are going to make sure that we alternate between like color 1, do your other color, like back and forth. If you see, I had colored it blue in this area here. So I don't want to have blue next to it on top of it because it's going to hide our letter. So I'm going to switch to my yellow and I'm going to color it all yellow in that area. And then next thing, blue. And so you're going to keep alternating between your 2 colors. And it will start to create this kind of optical illusion of you can still see your letter even though it is colored with all these different colors in different areas. But it's really important that you keep alternating and that it's never the color that was inside your letter, like outside, if that makes sense. Okay. And so you're going to keep going, and I'm just pressing fast forward because I think it's a little bit repetitive. And then at the very end, this is my finished project. If you look there, oh, I'll go back to here. Wow, sorry. If you look, there are no white spots. This is just another piece of paper underneath because I like to draw with multiple layers of paper underneath. Um, my coloring could have been a little bit more evenly colored, but I was trying to make this quick for you guys. So those are things to remember when you're coloring. Make sure you fill in all your white spots. Remember to alternate your colors. If you are having a hard time with this, please feel free to take a picture, email it to me, and I can try to mark it for you of how your colors should be. But other than that, you can also look at this to kind of help you out. They did opposite. They did their background first and then went to their letter. I think it was a little bit easier to do the letter first, but that was just my opinion. But yeah, this is our last step of this project. So take a picture, upload it to Google Classroom, or send it to my email, and then we will be good to go. I will chat with you guys next week to hopefully do just one more mini project. All right, bye.